I had very high hopes for what this program would bring, and they met every one of them. What I want to say was, first of all, the MIT professors were great. I think they made a real effort to try to talk about difficult material in a way that was approachable. I'm a student in the teacher. I taught high school for a long time, and I also do academic support for a higher ed program. First of all, the MIT professors were great. I think they made a real effort to try to talk about difficult material in a way that was approachable, and then really scaffold it so that the learners can access the material. So they were great. I experienced them early on in the program because for me, getting started was a little bit hard because it was learning Python, and that combined with the statistics, it was a heavy lift, and I didn't do that well in the beginning. And so then my academic coach, Rama, reached out to me and really encouraged me not to give up and just to stay with it and keep on doing what I was doing, and really helped me to stay positive in the whole experience. That kind of support was just awesome. Mentored learning sessions, these occurred on the weekends, and this is really where I think I applied the knowledge and really learned probably the most. I had several excellent mentors who led these sessions, and they were very knowledgeable, and they were willing to take your questions. They always, no question was really off the table or unreasonable. It was really great, and learned a lot of, little small tricks. So like, here's a Python shortcut. But then also, let's dig into logistic regression and think about, what it really is, and do you understand it? And that happened with a bunch of the different algorithms that we were learning. And those sessions on Saturdays and Sundays were very helpful for building knowledge. So I was really just amazed and pleased beyond belief with the program, and I'm going to take another certificate program follow-up. As a result of that, I thought it was such a positive experience.